inbuilt trackpad, external mouse, identical. This is a $5 mouse from AliExpress, and today we are going to turn it into something that behaves like Apple's magic mouse. Yes, identical behavior. When you start using a Mac, one of the core features you love is that inbuilt trackpad in a MacBook, that first touch trackpad. Everyone loves how smooth, how accurate, how awesome it feels when you scroll and zoom in and out or side scroll with it, right? But here is the main problem. You can't compare the experience of using that particular trackpad to using something like this. It is horrid in comparison because this one just feels like you are scrolling in 10 FPS. Like, it's impossible to overestimate how terrible it is in comparison. But what if I told you that with just $3 you can get back that awesome experience you get on your inbuilt trackpad on this $5 AliExpress mouse? It will sound impossible, right? Well, that's what we do on this channel, the impossible. You see, someone like me, I am not even close to a top YouTuber yet, so I am very skeptical when it comes to paying for art because I always have this feeling that maybe I won't get the value of what I'm paying for. But guys, I have to tell you, I was so wrong after spending just $3 for this experience. I have to say, that's the best $3 I've ever spent in my life. Currently, we are in the applications folder in our Mac. Now, take a look at how smoothly the inbuilt trackpad scrolls. Yeah, very natural, feels accurate, right? And now this external mouse, look at how it scrolls. Collected. Ridiculous. Like, how am I supposed to use something like this to even edit my YouTube videos? It's not possible. And then I begin to rush. I now discover that, getting a magic mouse would feel as smooth as this, and I rush to throw away $100. That was Apple's plan, right? Check out the sidebar, same smoothness, but then horrid. Like, what am I supposed to do with something like this? Check this out. Side scrolling, very smooth on the inbuilt trackpad, but then when I hold shift and scroll on the external mouse, very horrid. Compare this to this. Ridiculous. Smooth, fluid. Like, you can just naturally scroll on your app pages. But then when I use the external mouse, even a minor movement, it just goes to the next. There is no like elasticity in the animation. You see how I'm able to do like I want to drag it, but I just choose not to. This one, the moment you just flick the button, just minor flick, it just scrolls to the next page. Very unnatural and weird in comparison. Alright, this is Canva. This is a thumbnail I was working on for an iPhone 17 review video. Now, you can see how I'm able to like zoom in and out in a relatively fluid way, right? Yeah, to zoom on a external mouse, you need to hold command and scroll. Now look, J3. You can't compare this experience in creativity to this experience. Like, you can't just compare it. It's so ridiculous what Apple does sometimes. Funny thing is, I suffered with this for a couple years before I discovered a way out. You see, the main thing going on here, what Apple did behind the scenes is, Apple has a kind of API that's responsible, that communicates with the tracking devices Apple has created, and also like their inbuilt trackpad. Now that API is responsible for making everything so natural and fluid when you try to zoom in or out or like side scroll or scroll up, scroll down, you get stuff like that. But notice the kind of gates kept that API only to their Apple products. That's the external magic mouse, the external trackpad Apple sells, and Apple's inbuilt trackpad. Very smart, and will I say classic Apple, which is why when you now compare something like this to your magic mouse, you now feel like, wow, it's probably worth $100 plus to get the magic mouse because it scrolls a lot smoother. Well, that ends here. The app is called Mac Mouse Fix, so all you have to just do here is click on download, and as soon as you download it, you get 30 days of free trial, so you have enough time to decide if you want to spend the $3 or not. See, one crazy thing, I wasn't paid a dime to review this app, but the app is so good that I have to just glaze it. I don't really have a choice here, so let's download it right now. And now we have the app downloaded, Mac Mouse Fix. Let's turn that on. You can even customize your mouse if it has those two buttons on the side. Very good use for like zooming in and out or side scrolling. Yep. Also, you can use reverse direction for your scrolling, and you can customize your scrolling speed to even be exactly how it is on macOS. In my case, I prefer the higher speed. Also, you can simulate how it is on a trackpad. You see, the app is already demonstrating its usefulness, but it's time to test it and see if it does exactly what our inbuilt trackpad can do. First test, we are back to Finder and Apps folder. Now, look at how the inbuilt trackpad scrolls. Very smooth, and let's compare our external trackpad. Also very smooth. You can't even tell them apart, can you? No, you can't. Yeah. Crazy, crazy. Even when it gets to the ends, like precisely identical. Look at that. Just a $3 app. Same goes for the sidebar as well. Inbuilt trackpad, external mouse, identical. Let's try the wallpapers again. Side scrolling with our inbuilt trackpad. Very nice and smooth. Now hold shift and scroll. Also very nice and smooth. Yeah, everything scrolls very smoothly here. Both the vertical scrolling and the side scrolling. Let's check Canva out and then we'll try out the launchpad. I'm curious to see that one. Now this Canva, previously we could zoom in and out in a very fluid way, as you can see with the inbuilt trackpad. Now let's check it out here. Command and scroll. Very nice and smooth as well with our external mouse. The vertical scrolling works awesome. Previously we could naturally scroll and also just shake it a bit without having to completely scroll like how I was doing before. Now take a look at this. Natural scroll. Very nice and smooth. Also, you can do that minor little shake that we do like this. Look at that. Nice. That tells you how accurate the app is because it's identical to the experience you get on the trackpad. Yeah, so looks like I didn't just waste your time to watch this video now, did I? If you want to try the app out, check the video description for the link to download it. Don't forget, you get a 30-day free trial. Yeah, so you have enough time to take your time and find out if the app is the right fit for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this video was useful, obviously it was. You can't deny that. I'll see you guys around.